In today's Delph Stack tutorial video, we'll learn how to enable dark mode in Safari. If you prefer browsing at night or want a more comfortable viewing experience, enabling dark mode can make a big difference. There are two methods to do this. The first and easiest method is to open the Settings app on your device, then scroll down until you see Display and Brightness. If you don't see it right away, you can simply search for it using the search bar at the top. Once you open Display and Brightness, you will see the option to switch between light and dark mode. Simply select Dark, and your device will immediately switch to dark mode. You will also see an automatic option. What this option does is automatically switch your device to light mode during the day, and then switch to dark mode at night. Now, if you open Safari, as you can see, it is now in dark mode. However, the problem with this method is that it not only enables dark mode for Safari, but also for every other app on your device. Before moving to the second method, tap the subscribe button for more tutorials like this. If you only want to make Safari dark instead of your entire phone, then follow these steps. First, open the App Store on your device and search for Darker Safari. Look for the app and install it. Once the app is installed, open it and you will see various settings such as brightness and theme options. To enable it, open the Settings app again on your device. Scroll down and tap Apps. Then search for Safari. Open Safari Settings, scroll down, and look for the Extensions option. Tap on it. Here, find the darker extension and tap on it. Then enable the toggle to turn it on. Then scroll down and tap on the All Websites option. After that, tap on Allow. This will grant the extension permission to alter the brightness of the web page. Without selecting this option, the extension will not have the required permissions to change the web page theme. That's it. Now close the Settings app and open Safari again. You will now see a small extension icon in the URL bar. Tap on it, then select the darker extension and turn it on. As you can see, Safari is now in dark mode, and that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Safari. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.